So in this section, I just want to spend a couple of minutes telling you exactly what we're going to be covering in this course. So let's get straight into it. Now, before I tell you what the course covers, I want to check in. Do any of these sound like you? Maybe you're doing the same repetitive tasks day in, day out. Adding users to your environment, checking on resources, restarting services, things that really should be automated but aren't. You know that scripting would help, but it always feels like something you'd get around to in the future. Maybe you've even tried learning PowerShell or Bash before, felt lost, and quietly moved on. Or maybe you're just not a developer. You're an IT pro and you don't want to become a programmer. You just want to get things done faster. Well, if any of that sounds like you, perfect, because that's exactly who this course is built for. So here's what's changed, and this is the whole reason this course exists. AI now writes the scripts for you. You don't need to memorize PowerShell syntax. You don't need to stare at a blank screen. You don't need to spend hours and hours on Stack Overflow or Google. You just describe what you want and AI produces the code. You verify it, check it, and run it. And that is the new way of modern system administration. And this course is going to show you exactly how to do it properly. Now, we've got a couple of key areas that this course is going to cover. First of all, we're going to look at how to actually prompt AI to get usable scripts the first time, because if you don't prompt it correctly, you're not going to get the right output. We're then going to take a look at some hands-on demonstrations of scripting with different popular languages. We'll look at real-world projects that you can start using immediately. And finally, we'll look under the hood and how we can debug and fix scripts when it gets it wrong. Because occasionally this is going to happen, or you're going to need to build on a script because you haven't fed it enough information, and it's important you know how to do that. Now, who is the course actually for? Well, I can pretty much say anyone in IT. Whether you're a working sysadmin tired of doing things manually, if you're an IT beginner who wants to get into scripting without the overwhelming nature of it, and just want to have that really awesome look on your resume to show that you have that skill set. Or maybe you're a network or cloud admin who wants automation in their toolkit. This is for you. So by the end of the course, you're going to have a scripting knowledge so that you are ready to use these scripts in a production environment. You'll have a repeatable process for getting AI to write exactly what you need. You'll have the confidence to read, verify, and adapt any AI-generated script. And that means you're saving hours every week and you're adding a new skill set to that ever-growing resume. That is what this course is going to deliver. Practical, fast, and it's going to be built around the way you actually work. And trust me, this coming from a senior systems engineer, I am going to give you the tools that I use every single day to make my job a whole lot easier.